The I2C Pull-Up Resistor Calculator helps you determine the optimal pull-up resistor values for your I2C bus communication. Let's look at the inputs. First, select your I2C Speed Mode from the drop-down menu. You can choose Standard Mode at 100 kHz, Fast Mode at 400 kHz, or Fast Mode Plus at 1 MHz. For this example, I'll use Standard Mode at 100 kHz. Next, enter your supply voltage VCC in volts. The valid range is 1.8 to 5.5 volts. I'll use 3.3 volts. Then input your total bus capacitance, CB, in picofarads, which can range from 10 to 1000. I'll enter 100 picofarads. Finally, specify the number of devices on your bus, between 2 and 20. I'll use 3 devices. After clicking Calculate Pull-Up Resistor, you'll see 3 critical results. The minimum resistance shows 322 ohms, which is the lowest value that prevents excessive current draw. The maximum resistance displays 11,802 ohms, representing the upper limit for reliable signal rise times. Most importantly, the recommended value of 2,200 ohms provides the best balance between power consumption and signal integrity for these specific parameters. This ensures your I2C communication works reliably. Find the link in the description below.